Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily fix speaker not working on your Redmi 13X. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in the sound settings, but first we can use our volume up button. So make sure you increase your volume. Here let's click three dots, and here you guys can customize your volume for everything. This is the notifications and this is the alarm. Now this is the media volume that we care about, so we want to turn it up to the max and see if that fixes any issues. So now after we go into the settings and then we scroll down until we see the sound and vibration, we will be able to change it also here. So there's no hidden settings like the call settings, for an example. So the volumes of the call, you guys can only change it while being in a call actively. So you cannot change it right here. As you guys can see, there's nothing about the call. You guys cannot change it, and basically you can change the media, ringtone and alarm as I've mentioned before. So now after that, what you guys can do is clean the speaker grills with a soft brush. Basically you need to get everything out of them, so it might be dirt, debris, lint, anything that may be stuck inside, because it can also block the sound, and that may be the reason why your speakers are not working. So now after that, what you guys want to do is make sure that Bluetooth is disabled to ensure that audio is not rerouted to any other device. So for example, your car, headphones, anything else. As you guys can see, my Bluetooth is turned off, so I recommend you guys disabling it too, because it's just for the time of testing. And now after that, what you guys can do is try and update your software, see if you've got any updates available. If you do, then do them, because they might fix the issue of your speaker not working. There might be a system glitch, for an example, and the software update usually fixes them. So let's click on the HyperOS in the About phone. As you guys can see, I've got no updates available. I'm running the latest version of the HyperOS for this device. And now, if that didn't help, then don't leave the About phone just yet, because we need to reset our phone as a last resort. So first go to backup and restore, and here you will see the local backup like mobile device or computer. I recommend using the mobile device because you will still use it after the reset, but if not and you're switching up to something else, for an example other phone, then you can use the Xiaomi Cloud. I have never used it, and I want to say that the mobile device and the computer are the best backups possible at the moment, because I personally do not trust the Xiaomi Cloud to save everything for me. And now after that, what you guys can do is head over to factory reset and click on erase all data, enter your password if you have one, and then click on factory reset. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.